Are you looking for how to save your entire PowerPoint presentation as images? Then keep watching. So first you need to open the PowerPoint presentation and then click on the file on the top left corner and click on the more and click on the export and then click on the change file type and just scroll a little bit and double click on the JPEG file interchange format. So type the file name, choose the destination where you want to save it and then click save. So a pop-up window will appear asking which slides you want to export. You need to click all slides. Click OK. And now head to the desktop. So here you can see that a separate file folder scientific discovery, which is the file name, has been created. Let me open it. When you do this, PowerPoint automatically creates a new folder and saves each individual slide as its own separate file image number. Numbered sequentially like slide 1, 2 and etc. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.